Let's explore what's inside the Black in HR app and how it works. When you open the app, you'll land on the dashboard, your hub for posts and regular updates from community members. Tap on all posts to see what's new across the community. You can also check out Meet Members, a space to connect with HR professionals from diverse industries and experience levels. Next, head to the community feed, where Black professionals connect, share, and grow together. Join meaningful conversations, ask questions, offer advice, and build your presence. Looking for your next opportunity? Visit Job Postings and Referrals, where you'll find the latest openings and personal leads shared by the community. Then comes the Events section, helping you keep track of everything happening throughout the month, so you never miss out. Don't forget to RSVP directly in the app. You'll also find monthly themes. From live workshops to key discussion topics, this section gives you a clear view of what's ahead for July and beyond. July's theme, Speak Their Language, all about mastering communication at work. Take your learning further with AI HR boot camps and Black in HR masterclasses, designed to sharpen your skills and support your next career move. Want to connect locally? Join a city group like Atlanta, Washington, and more, and build community right where you are. Begin your journey with us. Sign up today.